Hello, welcome to class. In today's class, we'll be discussing about the markets. Have you ever been to the market before? So, you tell me, which market have you ever been to before? Did you buy stuff there? Or you just went there to sell? A market is a place where activities that involve buying and selling, take place. This means in a market, you have the buyer and you have the seller, just like Jude, my bag seller at a major market in Lagos. There are many other sellers of bags, shoes, and many other things. And I am the buyer, though we have other buyers. Both buyers and sellers have one purpose: to buy or sell a particular product or item. And most times there's a singular price for items. What I meant is, if you ask shop A for the price of a particular brown shoe, you will find the same price range in other shops. But have you noticed that when you buy more quantities of, let's say, a shoe, the unit price is usually lesser than when you buy just one? Yes, it happens often. What makes a difference is that one is wholesale and the other one is retail. Wholesale is the act of buying and selling in large quantities, serving as the intermediary between the producer and the retailer, while retail involves buying and selling of goods in small scale. He buys from the wholesaler to sell in bits to the consumers. So what have we learned today? We have learned that a market is the place where there is a purchase and sale of commodities and services where they take place. Characteristics of the market include numerous buyers, numerous sellers, goods and services, one price, and then contact. You must have also learned that the market can be classified based on the quantity of goods sold or bought. And there are wholesalers and there are retailers as well.